Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ram K English. Friends, my name is Ram and I am from Ayodhya, Uttar Pradesh. Friends, if you click this video, it really means you want to improve your communication skill, also be wanted fluent in English. Friends, in today's video, I will share with you 3 tricks, which is a very simple tricks which you can follow daily routine in your daily routine, and you know how you can speak English like a pro, and I will tell you how you can improve your English and how you can grow your English spoken. So please watch this video until the end and don't miss any topic and any line, and don't compare yourself with anyone. You have to focus on your dream, you have to focus on your happiness, and you have to ignore all the bad things what is going on about your surroundings. You have to forget and you have to ignore. When you start staring everything and react on everything which carry on happening around you, then you will distract from your dream, distract from your focus life, and you have distract from your dream life. So please don't compare yourself with anyone. Your dream and your success and your happiness totally depends upon you. When you become rich and when you become a good English speaker, then you have to compare yourself with yourself. Always you have to say yourself, me versus me. When you will say from yourself, me versus me, then you have a chance, and then you have give a chance to yourself, and you will grow up and 1% better than yesterday, and you will make comfortable in yourself. Otherwise you will ruined, and you will dispromise yourself when you compare, when you will compare to anyone. But you don't need to compare anyone. So please ignore this, and I want to 3 simple tricks how you can become a good English speaker. And these 3 tricks you can apply in your daily routine, and you can become a good English speaker. So friends, first trick is very good. And friends, everything depends upon you. And first trick is start thinking in English. Friends, when you start thinking in English, then your 70% of English spoken journey will complete, and it possible, and you can improve your communication skill, and you can fluent in English by this method. Friends, when you start thinking in English, then everything comes to you, and all time you need to understand everything. And when you start thinking in English, everything surrounding you and your environment, all things you give a name, a particular name, and everything you give a English name. Then you have to recall all the time when you will see all the things and all the peoples and all the every animals which you gave a particular name, and that's a English name. This is a very good idea. And friends, the second thing is speak English daily. Friends, when you will practice day by daily of English speaking, it makes you comfortable, and it give you very high potential of confidence level. When you practice day by daily in front of your camera, in front of your partner, if you have an excuse, you have no partner, you have no any English paid classes, and you have no any type of grammar history, then it's all excuses. You have to avoid all the things. Friends, you have to always focus on your dream, and you have to make a friend of your camera, and you have to practice day by daily in front of your mobile camera, and it's become a very easy for yourself and you become a very good English speaker. And the third thing is, friends, Before starting the third trick is, I want to add some extra knowledge about the second tips. Friends, when you give a practice day by daily with consistency and patience, then you will make sure your dream will complete one day. It's not complete in a within a one day. It's complete one day. When you make yourself proud and make yourself consistent and make yourself confident in English speaking, then success will come you. And the third thing is speaking English. Friends, you have to speak English and you have to always listen English. Friends, every time when you see English movies and English web series, then you have to make their language in English. So friends, you will easily understand what the character want to tell you about the story. When you start watching and listening English web series, English music, English movies, then it makes you more comfortable to understand the global leaders voice and what the people want to tell and what they want to tell their in their speech. When you will say, friends, la Donald Trump, Nick Jones, and Netanyahu, and everyone who belongs to a English country. You know, and you noticed all they have always speak English like a very pro. Just because of that, their native language is English, and they always listen from their ancestor, from their parents, from their brother, sister. Everyone follows the English, and everyone ordered in English. They never speak in Hindi. Always when anyone deliver in English in front of you, then you, if you have always and any time every time of English language, then every word of English is printed on your brain, and you have to understand what is the mean of this printed word. So please, this all the three tips that of the three tips, if you follow these three tricks, then you can become a good English speaker. And friends, you have to make a and promise to yourself, you will not cut any part of your video, and you have to record your video in front of your mobile camera, and you have to upload that video on your YouTube channel. It makes you very comfortable, and it's make you a journey of English language. When you will become a good English speaker, you have to past pathway, and you can see, and some motivation you will give to other people, other audience, and other beginner English speaker. So please try these three methods and make yourself proud in English speaking. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद। और हाँ दोस्तों, सपोर्ट करो यार। आज तो मैं बहुत सैड हूँ, बट फिर भी वीडियो बना रहा हूँ। कोई बात नहीं दोस्त, सैडनेस नाम की कोई चीज़ नहीं होती भाई। मर्द का मतलब यही होता है भाई, बस तुम पैसे कमाओ, अपने संघर्ष में आगे बढ़ते रहो बस। अगर तुम बैठ के रोओगे यार तो क्या ही होगा। इसलिए छोड़ो, इन सब चीज़ों के लिए वक्त नहीं है। धन्यवाद।